Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text size within your Google Chrome. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Now, all you have to do once you're inside Google Chrome, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click on settings towards the bottom. Now, on the left hand side, click on appearance, right? And then from here, you want to look towards the bottom to where you have custom fonts. So click on custom fonts here, and here you will find the font size. Now, as you can see, it doesn't give you like a number. You'd have to hover over it so that you can see what number that size is. But you have two words. You have huge, you have tiny, right? And you also have the minimum font size. So in order to, let's say, change the font size, you can play with this toggle bar here by simply toggling to the right to have a huger font size here, and to toggle it to the left, it will go down smaller, right? So you can also use the second option as well, which is says minimum font size. You can toggle that to the right, and you can see it is changing it. Now you will be able to see that it's changing within Google Chrome. If I go ahead and, for example, open up YouTube here, and let me go ahead and make some adjustments here. So let's say I adjust this one and I adjust this one and go to the second window. You can see that these letters are actually getting larger, right? So this is how you can easily do it. Let me move it all the way up larger. You will see that they're getting extremely large, both sides. So if you open up the videos as well, you will see it. So you can know which one is which if you change this one here. Let's put this one to the smallest, to tiny, for example, like that. You will see that some smaller words get back small, like for example this one. You can see it looks much better, and you can always play around with this one as well. And if you want as well guys, you can also go ahead and change the fonts as well. You have a bunch of fonts there that you can change, so it's really up to you to play around and customize whichever font style you want to make sure that your Google Chrome look as nice as possible to your liking. But that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.